Um, gotta see this song is working. Hello, gotta see this. Okay, so songs work. This mod's available for free. The paid version is available now. Use this log instead. Okay. So I was doing this on working this Nelvin plugin, but I'm not going to do this anymore. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Let me just open a new tab, access my dev folder, um, and see what I can do. What's the tools folder? Oh, okay. I was creating some PWA, which is cool. Um, um, maybe I can access it. And I'm gonna open a new terminal. I think it's npm run dev. I don't remember. Okay. But it's a PWA, so I can't access it without. I think I can access it installing it. Yes. Uh, and there is a loop in the here that shows the some badges icon on the screen of the app application, but for now, um, I will do some uh, delete this. So you guys can't see this because my primary the app bar is not showing this monitor, it's in my other monitor. So what I'm gonna do, it's I need to check some Google stuff, new Google APIs for uh, JavaScript PWA. I don't new in ELK, but this is 24. I want some not. Let me access Google Developers and try to find something new to learn. Learn anti-gravity. No. 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 AI, I don't want, I want web stuff, not AI. Learn web development. Accessibility is cool. May I oh, everything is AI now. What? What? I remember next. Uh, that before some days ago I was trying to learn something new in this site and appeared to be more content for web than this. It's strange. Let me search. I don't know. GitLab API. Strange. What solutions? Maybe it's not solutions. Learn. Okay, very strange. Is there a chat here? No, I'm not. I'm not the Portuguese thing because I'm live streaming English. Even if I'm Brazilian. I want to do some. Let me check this. Set badge. Google set badge API. Maybe I am mistaking Google with other. I don't know. Let's just use this. Yeah, let's do. Which is just this get battery. Let's trace a get battery method provides information about the system battery. It returns a battery promise, which is over with a battery manager object when some properties to get the battery status. Some events can handle monitor the battery status. This implements the battery status API. See the documentation. Okay, let's try this. Show this in the app. I'm gonna put this app in another monitor. No, maybe here. Let's hide this and let's try. I'm gonna type, not just copy paste. Better, because I think when you do this, you learn more. Because false. Navigator dot get battery dot then battery it's it's charger equals battery dot charging. So I'm gonna add a listen here to battery dot add event listener. What is this charging? Change battery charging equals battery. Why I need both things, this first line and also this. I think the first line will get the current value of the battery, but then I need to start listening. But why not just this? Yeah, I asked the AI to explain that. So instead of hello, can I enter battery is charging? I don't know how to do this. How can I show the oh fuck. Okay, I need to pass an ID. Okay, this is how dumb I am, of course. So many years work with React without writing JavaScript native code. So I actually need a const status equals document dot carry selector. PID battery, right, slash status, and then navigator battery, then battery, and I make a function, dot get battery, like this. Sorry, I was oh fuck, I was reading the function populate status. Status dot text content equals battery dot charging. If yes, I'm gonna copy this because of the emojis. P to fuck, and then I call update status here, and then battery dot advent. Mr. Charging change update status. Cool. Let me remove I removed the connector of the MacBook. Let me put it again. It not works because I think it's 100% my battery, but what I can do is, okay, let me just read the code, update status, and then I call it here. It's an interesting code because I need this navigator get battery promise and not just the add event listener. Okay, because this battery comes from the navigator get battery. But if there is a doom value with this value, why I need access this by get battery? I don't understand. Why I need the navigator dot get battery if the change exists. Where can I see this charging change? Is this a doom event? Event, the sense of events like click or input, they are dispatched by item element. It's an event defined by the knowledge deprecated battery status API. Deprecated? Okay. But that's not what's saying here. It's not deprecated, is it? Since current only export to secure context. Okay. I don't think it's deprecated. Not us. Safari, no, 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 no. So I can spray battery that level. I'm gonna put on H1 IT equals battery level. And const battery level equals document.carry selector battery level battery level dot test content equals battery dot level Okay, it's 1, but it's here, it's decided to multiply by 100. So render takes this person like no, I'm dumb. I should fuck what I have done. But you level can I? Let me do this here. Is it possible? I don't know. Okay, that does make sense. I'm done. Let me do plus. Maybe this work. Concatenate. Oh fuck, battery. Okay, I'm gonna remove this from my MacBook and just wait some. Let's learn some other things and see if it is change. I'm gonna move to other monitor. I don't know. Let's learn cool things here. Navigator. App code. All browsers return Mozilla as default value. What the fuck? Chrome. Only this browser supported. App name. I'm gonna test it. So it's a property from the navigator. First of all, I'm gonna put these two things together to separate the logic. Never used. My Navin is showing some red characters for empty space. I hate this stuff, but I'm not configuring this now. I will change this later. So let's I'm gonna put a commentary here to working on battery, and now I will work from code name. So basically I have this navigator dot, let me see the code, app code name, console.log. I don't know if it's a promisey, deprecated. Okay, let me, fuck this. App name. How is Netscape? Navigator.app name. Also deprecated. App version, out session. This feature is not baseline because it does not work on the same most widely used browsers. Bluetooth, Build ID, clipboard. This one is cool. 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 Let me see if how it works. Clipboard. So if I add a div here, will it instantly be replaced by the clipboard, or I should create some button, some, I don't know. The ID will be, it's a class. Clip, not, so it's not ID, class course, clip text, each one. I am putting everything, each one does make sense. Put paragraphs. I think there's some extilation. This, by the way, don't necessary. Clip text. Okay, doesn't work. I have things on the keyboard. Let's copy this. And I'm gonna save it. Okay, doesn't work. As expected, because of security reasons, right? Content of the element whose class is clip test with the content. Yeah, did I put the name of the class? Okay, right, yes. Perhaps this code is being used in a browser extension that displays the current clipboard contents automatically update period or when some events vary. If the clipboard is empty or doesn't contain text, the clipboard elements content are cleared. This perhaps because read text returns an empty string if the clipboard, but secure contents will be only in secure contents in some of the clipboard. Could I check? The question is, how can I see the version of the Chrome I'm using? Okay, clipboard documents not focusing. I have some errors in console, but maybe because my version of the PWA is not which JavaScript commands can show me my current column version, and how can I check, for example, if navigator function like clip part is supported in the product. What the fuck? So let me put this at console. Allow pasting. So my Chrome version 150, not a brand. Oh, it say true. The says true, and the log says GPU, Bluetooth, Cherry, in Navigator. If clipboard, in Navigator, Cherry, Bluetooth. But the code does not work. What the fuck? Something wrong. It's allowed, okay. Let me do this. True. I have this in console, and returns true. Okay. Okay, I don't think it's related. Maybe I just remove. Okay. Um, Space E. Why I need this shit here? Um, oh, I'm gonna ask some help to AI, like open code. Can I change the model? Models free. I don't know which of these models are. I think this one is good. So okay, it worked. I don't know but kill it. The AI, I'm saying that the AI works properly in the free version, not that it solved the problem, right? By the way, let me just I have the message clipboard unavailable. And continue this because my Mac, the MacBook battery is so fucking crazy that I'm live streaming and until now it's still 100%. If it was my old notebook, I was with 1% right now. Or so, but clipboard unavailable. So it means I don't know what it means. But I'm gonna try something. I will get this right. Get the compile everything again. Access the local. Okay, allow. Got it. So clipboard unavailable. What's that? Okay, cool. Can I refresh? Reload? What? Reload? I don't know why it's saying unavailable. If I have reloaded, but now I can see this manage. I don't know why it's still unavailable. Even if I reload, I'm gonna git and do this so fast. Continue allowing. I don't understand. Let me copy something. Cop. Let me. Oh, it's crazy. Law. It works in the browser. Not here. But law. Cool. Good to see. What? Cool. Very cool. I will just check something. Just put a fresh. It's not. It's not real time refreshing. That's very. It's not rot reloading. But why? Why not reloading? Here, not reloading too. The fuck? The fuck? Hello? I've copied. Okay, it after I refresh, it shows the text because, of course, when I copy it, when I copy this, very cool. When I copy this, it doesn't detect something, but if I refresh, it worked. But let me copy this and update the code. See if the what reload. Okay, it worked. So when just the act of code does not do this. Cool. Is there a cool. Clipboard unavailable. Let's solve two problems. Let me just check something. For security, 80 TPS. It's probably because there's no 80 TPS on the PWA. Maybe I'm gonna ask the AI. So it worked in the browser, but not in the PWA. Why? Probably some security reason related to the HTTPS, I think. When I solve this problem, let's ask some other thing. How can I know if a user has copied some text in the browser? So if I add some npm builder, just low, I don't know, npm run build and npm run dev, will it work? Low. Oh, it worked. It just debuted. That's cool. Cool. Because now, if I refresh here now, I'm gonna copy this 00 and refresh, reload. Nice. Worked But now that solve this other problem here, which basically so event so I'm gonna open the inspect, and when I copy something, I'm gonna copy this. It's a user copied R. Nice. In the console here. So once this happens, how you call this? So that meeting. Let me just do this here. And now I copy here, 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 here. Ha ha ha. Cool, guys. Oh, cool. So cool. Nice. That's nice. Cool. I don't know why this is useful, but nice. I'm gonna just now just check with the if I do the things right and then can finish the live now. Is this the right way? To check if something was copied and then show what was copied. This version is just a bug. What? It's because now, for example, I get the difference law. I have two apps here. What? Let me just check up something here outside not showing. Okay, something like okay, cool. This. Okay, I get it. And then I put some button here. Like let me create some div first. Div, oh fuck. Div, show clipboard, a button, the ID. I'm gonna put the ID clip show clipboard. And the button okay. Copy something. Okay, should not click but show clip. Fuck this now. Cop and what? Show clip word ID. Oh no, this is not what? I don't know. What's happening? Fix this. Okay, I listen to the click and clipboard clip text, which is okay. I will always listen to clicks. okay, I put down is the okay, I'm very dumb in the you always listen to events that then you attach the event to objects, right? That's how JavaScript works. And let me just do this, compile everything again. To clipboard. Cool. I'm gonna end this live for today. Thanks very much.